Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. I wish you are in a good health and happy and safe. Do you know what I did? I start talking. I didn't turn on the video, so I start talking, and after that I wish why there is not time, because if you start on your video, if you make a video, there is time above, you will find time. But I didn't find. Then I realized, you are stupid. You didn't turn on the video, so that's the problem. Sometimes stupid is coming and going, coming and going. So, like I said, Assalamu alaikum. I wish you are in a good health and happy and safe, and you are spending amazing time with your family and friend. And I wish these days and this month being to you, or this month bring for you the happiness and to succeed, and the what we say, what is the comfortable and the thing that you want generally. So today, inshallah, I will put 2 videos because I didn't put anything this last month. So this video, this day, today, inshallah, I will put 2 videos. The first one is about words in English, and the second one is for vegetable and fruit in Arabic. You should know it. It's important. So let's go. Okay, the first one, like if you want to cook, if you want to go into kitchen and someone asks you, what are you doing? You will say to them, I'm going for cooking, or I cook, or I am cooking. It's mean in Arabic we say أنا أطبخ. أنا أطبخ. Kitchen, we know it's in Arabic we say المطبخ. Okay, المطبخ. And if I want to cook, or if I am cooking and someone asks me, what are you doing? I will say to him, I am cooking. In Arabic, if someone asks me ماذا تفعلين, سأجيب أنا أطبخ. It's mean I am cooking. In English, in Arabic, أنا أطبخ. Okay, so let's go to the other words that we use. If in English we say cut off, or I'm cutting onion, or I'm cutting potato, tomato, whatever you cutting. In English we say cut off. Okay, in Arabic we say أنا أقطع. أنا أقطع الجزر، أنا أقطع البصل، أنا أقطع الطماطم، أنا أقطع البطاطا. Okay, what you want. Okay, and the other words is bake. I am baking. In Arabic we say أنا أخبز. أنا أخبز. Okay, and yeah, أنا أخبز. Okay, and if we want, like if we are make a meal and we want to we say we add cell, because it's important. Cell, we add cell. In Arabic we say نضيف. Okay, add in English. In Arabic we say نضيف. نضيف الملح، نضيف الزيت، نضيف الثوم, whatever you want. Okay, and we have to fry. To fry, we use it to fry potato, to fry maybe meat. Yeah, to fry. In Arabic we say قلي. قلي البطاطا، قلي البصل. Okay, in English it's mean to fry. In Arabic يقلي. Okay, and we have the other words, it's mean to knead. Okay, to knead, it's mean يعجنوا. I think this يخبزوا and يعجنوا, it's for us it's the same, but in English I find it's 2 words. Okay, to knead in English, in Arabic يعجنوا. Okay, if you want to make your bread, to eat it, and it will be health for you, so you should make it you should knead in your house. In our we say يعجنوا, and in our house, just sometime we buy, only I think in Friday we buy the bread already in a store, but most days we are knead the bread. Okay, يعجنوا in English knead, in Arabic يعجنوا. And we have to grate, it's mean يحكوا. Okay, يحكوا. we have this another like we can say in Arabic يحكوا, it's mean he's back. We can use it also to this meaning, but يحكوا الزبدة, if you want to make if you want to add butter to your dish, you should first to grate it. Okay, grate it. In Arabic we say يحكوا الزبدة الطماطم, if you want to make egg and tomato. So that's it. And we have the other one is to pour. If your dish is already if your dish is ready, if your dish is ready, you should to pour it in a if you want to peel eggs, if we put it just in water and after that it's ready, you should, before eat it, we should peel it. Okay, to peel it's mean يقشر البيض. Okay, to peel it's mean يقشر. Okay, and the other one to stir, to stir it's mean يحركه. If we are make a soup, we should stir it. Okay, stir it, it's mean يحركه. In English we call it to stir, in Arabic we call it يحركه. And to mix, يمزج. Okay, يمزج, to mix in English. In Arabic يمزج المكونات. Okay, it's mean to mix all the things that you put in your meals. Okay, it's mean يمزج in Arabic. In English to mix. And we have the other words we can use it. Blend. I don't know if I pronounce it right. Blend, it's the same meaning of to mix. Okay, and to melt يذوب, it's mean يذوب, it's mean if you want to melt chocolate. Okay, whatever the kind of chocolate that you want to melt, but we use it to melt chocolate. It's mean in Arabic يذوب الشوكولاتة. Okay, and we have to man's, it's mean يفرم. To man's يفرم. And to man's يفرم, we use it for also chicken, if you want to man's chicken or meat or whatever. Okay, in English we call it to man's, and in Arabic يفرم. Okay, if I want to say in Arabic I like cooking, I should say أنا أحب الطبخ. Okay, I like cooking أنا أحب الطبخ. I don't like cooking أنا لا أحب الطبخ. Or أنا I know cooking أنا أعرف الطبخ. I don't know cooking أنا لا أعرف الطبخ. Okay, this is for today, guys. If you have any question or you didn't understand something in this lesson, you can drop a line for me in the section comment, and inshallah I will answer all your question. And thank you so much for being so kind and subscribe in my channel and support me. That's mean to me a lot, and I wish your day be amazing because you are good people. You deserve the best. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.